In this video, we'll share with you 3 detox smoothie recipes for weight loss, packed with fiber and antioxidants that would boost metabolism, aid digestion, and keep you full. Detox smoothies are no doubt an easy way to help you lose weight. We've compiled a list of recipes that are not only great for weight loss, but for your overall health too. Let's get started. Number 1. Luscious Healthy Lemon Curd Smoothie. First, we have Dr. Marsola's Luscious Healthy Lemon Curd Smoothie. For this one, you'll need half a pineapple, 1 banana, a handful of leafy greens like spinach, 2 avocados, and 2 to 3 lemons. Keeping the rind, cut the pineapple and lemon into small pieces. Then separate the lemon from the pulp by running them in a juicer. Finally, blend this juice with the rest of the ingredients. Pineapples help improve digestion and are also rich in vitamin C. Bananas are fat and cholesterol-free. They're also rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, iron, potassium, calcium, and zinc. Plus, studies have shown that spinach helps prevent sugar and fatty food cravings. Avocados contain healthy fat that suppresses appetite. They also are low in sugar, rich in vitamin E, B vitamins, and potassium. Lemons, meanwhile, are excellent sources of vitamin C. They're also great for the immune system, heart, and bones. Plus, studies have shown that lemons have anti-cancer and antioxidant properties. Number 2. Fat-burning detox smoothie. Moving on, we have this delicious fat-burning detox smoothie. The ingredients are 1 cup spinach, 1 green apple, half a cucumber unpeeled, and 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 to 2 pieces ginger, 1 cup chilled green tea, 1 cup of coconut water, 2 teaspoons honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Blend the spinach, ginger, coconut water, and tea together. Add the cucumber, green apple, pineapple, and blend again. Lastly, add the lemon juice, honey, mint, and blend until smooth. Cucumbers are rich in potassium, B vitamins, vitamin C, and K. They also contain antioxidants that are proven to be great for the brain and help prevent certain types of cancers. Cucumbers would also hydrate your body as they contain 95% of water. Green apples are rich in calcium, vitamins A, C, and K. They also contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the blood vessels, making them good for the heart. Meanwhile, ginger is rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, along with vitamins A, B, C, and D. Plus, ginger has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Before we move on to the next recipe, if you're enjoying the video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click on the bell icon to be notified once we upload a new video. Number 3. Blueberry Antioxidant Smoothie. And finally, here's the Blueberry Antioxidant Smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need a cup of blueberries, 6 ounces low-fat blueberry Greek yogurt, a half cup ice cubes, and dairy or non-dairy milk, which is optional depending on the consistency that you want. Blend the ingredients together. For a smoother consistency, add milk a few tablespoons at a time. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C, K, and manganese. They're also low in sugar and fat-free. Plus, blueberries are great for the skin, bones, heart, and immune system. The antioxidants in blueberries also aid muscles to recover faster after a workout. And that ends our list. Remember that you can be creative with your smoothies. Add your favorite fruit or herbs if you think they'll blend well together with the recipe. And when it comes to drinks for weight loss, we also recommend one that contains fruits, just like those smoothies we just showed you. This is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that's a delicious blend of fruits, herbs, and tea extracts that activates a fat-burning hormone inside the body. So many people have already benefited from this drink's power, just like Susan Atley, a 45-year-old mom who lost 33 pounds in just 4 weeks after drinking it every morning. She didn't even follow any diets or workouts at all. Check out the link in the description box below to learn more about her experience. So that sums up today's video. We hope you'll try those recipes, and if you do, get back to us and share with us which one's your favorite. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos that we'll be sharing with you soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.